Addition of square root. Welcome to MathJip. We are going to simplify this expression. Here is root 50 plus root 8, and here is some options. We have to find out right one. So let's get started. These kinds of math some people are doing, like we know 50 plus 8 equals to 58. So root 50, root 8, so naturally this one is root 58. So is it true, number A? No, this is totally wrong. So how we can simplify this one? First, look, this 50 we have to find out inside perfect square. What does mean perfect square? Look, root 16 equals to 4. This 4 is an integer. So this 50 we have to write like 25 times 2 root, plus this is root 8. This one we can write 4 times 2. Okay, these kinds of radical expressions, once we are going to simplify, we have to find out perfect square. So what can we do? Here is, we know root AB, it means root A times root B. Okay, so this is root 25 times root 2, okay, plus root 4 times root 2. Now we know 25 is a perfect square. Once we make square root of 25, we will get 5, and here is a root 2. We know root 2 is not a rational number, it's a irrational number, so we have to keep this one like this, plus root 4, it means 2, and here is also root 2. Now look, here is 5 root 2 and here is 2 root 2. This one we can make summation, we will get 7 root 2, but till has no similarity of here, like here is root 58, root 98, root 78, root 64. So what will be the right answer? Now it's a interesting thing, this 7 we can write root 7 times root 7, and here is also root 2. We know root A times root B times root C, anything we can multiply because it all are under root, and here is a multiplication, so root A B C. Similar, this one also we can write root 7 times 2, so it's a what? 7 times 7 is a 49 times 2, here will be 98. Okay, and this is our correct answer. So be careful about these kinds of summation, it's not possible. So our correct answer is number B, which is root 98. So if you understand, thanks for this. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and I wish you will subscribe my channel, because from this channel you will get lots of things based on algebra. So no more today. Thank you very much. Stay with me. See you next video.